Dawn on the southeast coast of England. It is spring, and the chorus is in full voice. Or almost. In this small corner of the UK, the spring birdsong is never complete without its star chorister. And he is coming from the banks of the great rivers of West Africa, over mainland Europe and across the seas, to reach this place where he will mesmerize and bewitch all who hear him. It is as though nature is waiting, holding her breath, for the first song of the nightingale. From John Keats' Ode to a Nightingale to the legend of the barley bird, this little songster has captured the hearts and imaginations of poets and storytellers for centuries. Despite its fairly drab appearance, it has the most startling of songs. It is only the male who sings to establish his territory and to attract a mate. Once accomplished, his performance continues for the duration of the breeding season, for he must maintain his territory and protect his female. He will, however, reduce his singing at night, for which nightingales are of course famed. This nocturnal song is performed by bachelor males advertising for a mate. The serenade competes against less background noise at night, and although physically demanding, demonstrates to the arriving females that the male is in fine breeding shape. His enchanting prose begins soon after this little bird arrives on his migration from Africa. It is here, in West Africa's Guinea-Bissau and other neighbouring countries, where the nightingales spend their winter. But as the instinct to mate kicks in, they leave the heat of the tropics in February and begin their 4,000-mile journey back to the Essex coast to arrive in mid-April at Fingringhoe Wick. The area has always been their traditional breeding ground, but in the early 20th century the land was converted into a quarry and the habitat decimated. But in 1959 the machinery fell silent, and soon after the Wildlife Trust took possession of the land. Through the remarkable efforts of countless people, the habitat has been returned to what it once was, and over the past 40 years the nightingales have returned. You may not see them, for they favour thick vegetation, which is virtually impenetrable to the human eye. But you will hear them. For 1 month only, between April and May, this is one of Britain's most wondrous wildlife experiences. By June, the song is over. By July, they're on the move once again. They will reach southern Europe by August and continue on to their wintering grounds in West Africa. They will be back, but for the moment, our star performer has left the building.
you.